Cholesterol. It's one of the most misunderstood substances when it comes to our health. For years, we've been told that cholesterol is the enemy of our arteries, a major contributor to heart disease, and something we should avoid at all costs. But here's the truth. Cholesterol is not inherently bad or good. It's a crucial substance in our bodies, and it plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. Cholesterol is a type of fat, but it's one your body actually needs. It is found in every cell, and it's a key component in the structure of cell membranes, helping them stay flexible and functional. Without cholesterol, your cells wouldn't be able to carry out essential functions. It's also the building block for many important hormones in your body, including sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone, as well as stress hormones like cortisol. These hormones help regulate important processes like metabolism, immune function, and stress response. But that's not all. Cholesterol is essential for producing vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium in the body and supports bone health. It's also needed to create bile acids, which are critical for digesting food and absorbing nutrients, especially fats and fat-soluble vitamins. In short, cholesterol is absolutely vital to your body's function and health. However, the key to understanding cholesterol is knowing that it's not about the amount of cholesterol in your body, but how it's transported and utilized. This is where the misconception of good and bad cholesterol comes in. We often hear about LDL, which is called bad cholesterol, and HDL, which is called good cholesterol. But in reality, cholesterol is just cholesterol, and the difference between these two types is how they are transported. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, is often labeled as bad cholesterol because it carries cholesterol from the liver to the cells. The problem occurs when there's an excess of LDL that is not properly used by the cells, which can lead to cholesterol buildup in the arteries, contributing to plaque formation. This is what can lead to cardiovascular issues like atherosclerosis. On the other hand, HDL, high-density lipoprotein, is referred to as good cholesterol because it helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream by transporting it back to the liver, where it can be processed and removed from the body. A higher level of HDL cholesterol means better protection against the buildup of plaque in the arteries. So, cholesterol in itself is not the problem. The real issue arises when the balance between LDL and HDL is disrupted, and when excess cholesterol is not properly utilized or cleared from the body. This brings us to a fascinating piece of information that challenges the common perception about cholesterol. There are studies that suggest people who live to be 100 years old, centenarians, often have higher cholesterol levels than the average population. In fact, research has shown that many centenarians exhibit what would be considered high cholesterol levels, but they still manage to live long, healthy lives. One such study, published in Folia Cardiologica, found that while cholesterol levels in people aged 71 to 74 were around 5.00 mmol/L, those over the age of 85 had a slightly lower average of 4.61 mmol/L. However, what's interesting is that even among these older individuals, many still had relatively high cholesterol levels, suggesting that high cholesterol alone may not be the main factor determining longevity. It seems that the way cholesterol is managed and how it interacts with the rest of the body could be more important than simply lowering its levels. What these findings suggest is that cholesterol might not be the villain it's often made out to be. In fact, cholesterol could play a protective role in aging and longevity, particularly when it's kept in balance within the body. For example, a study published in The Lancet found that older adults with higher cholesterol levels had a better chance of surviving over a longer period. The research pointed out that the key factor is not just the cholesterol level itself, but how it is regulated and how the body responds to it. The health risks associated with cholesterol often arise from small, dense LDL particles, which are more likely to stick to the walls of blood vessels and contribute to plaque buildup. In contrast, larger LDL particles are less harmful and do not pose as much of a risk. Therefore, it's not just the quantity of cholesterol that matters, but the type of cholesterol and how your body handles it. Cholesterol's importance doesn't end there. It is also essential for the integrity of our cell membranes. Without cholesterol, the membranes of your cells wouldn't be stable, and this could lead to impaired function of the cells. Think about the many processes in the body that rely on cell function. From muscle contraction to nerve signaling, cholesterol is a foundational element that ensures these systems run smoothly. Moreover, cholesterol supports the production of bile, which is critical for fat digestion. It also plays a role in brain health. In fact, a large portion of the cholesterol in your body is found in your brain, where it supports nerve cell function and the transmission of signals between cells. So, what does this all mean for our health? Cholesterol is not inherently harmful. Rather, it's about maintaining a healthy balance. A diet rich in healthy fats, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive processed foods can help keep cholesterol in check. The key is to focus on balancing LDL and HDL levels, ensuring that excess cholesterol doesn't accumulate and lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. To wrap it up, cholesterol is a vital substance that serves many important roles in the body. It's involved in hormone production, vitamin D synthesis, and fat digestion, and it supports the health of our cells and organs. Instead of fearing cholesterol, we should focus on managing its balance in our bodies. And as we've seen in Centenarians, it's not necessarily about lowering cholesterol, but understanding how to balance it and keep our bodies functioning at their best. It's important to remember that while cholesterol is crucial for our health, maintaining balance is key. By nourishing your body with the right foods, staying active, and focusing on a healthy lifestyle, you can support your body's natural processes and feel your best. So next time you hear about cholesterol, don't be afraid. Embrace its importance and give your body what it truly needs to thrive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cholesterol, the unsung hero of our bodies, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so more people can discover the truth about their health. Thanks for being here with us, and see you in the next video.